How to change username on Roblox. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to change username on Roblox. To begin with, you want to first of all open the Roblox application. You could use a browser version on your PC as well as on your mobile device. The procedure will remain the same. So now on this page, click the more from the bottom right of the screen, after which scroll down and go to settings sections. From the settings section, you then need to go ahead and click on the account info, and here you'll be able to find all your details information. So there you have your display name as well as your username, right? So go to the username section and click on this paper clip icon or this sort of icon in the right hand side corner of your screen. So in order to change your username, you actually need 1000 Robux more to change your username. So if you actually want to go ahead and do this, you could go and click on the buy button. In order to buy this particular amount of Robux, you could go ahead and select the package. So I'm just gonna go and scroll down, and maybe I'll go with this. I think it's not enough, but still you could go and click on the purchase, then enter in your card details, all sort of things. And once you're done purchase, you want to do the same procedure or come back to this page, and you'll have successfully changed your username on Roblox. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.